So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable keep screen on while viewing on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So start by opening settings, and then you want to scroll and select display. Under display, look for screen timeout and select it. And then in order for you to enable or disable keep screen on while viewing, just look for that option and tap on the toggle. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. And so now your A56 will use your front camera in order for it to detect your face. If you're looking at the phone, your screen will be kept on no matter the screen timeout period. If your phone disappears and it's no longer being detected by the front camera, then your screen will go off. If you want to disable keep screen on while viewing, you can just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned off. And so it's up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.